Got a 1997-2002 Honda Accord and need to program your key fob? Good news. You can do it yourself without any special tools or a trip to the dealership. This method exploits the car's built-in programming routine. The keyless entry system in these Accords uses a radio frequency RF transmitter in the key fob that communicates with the car's body control module, BCM. Make sure your fob has a fresh 3V lithium battery, CR2032, and matches your car's model. Most use a 314 MHz frequency. Aftermarket fobs work too, costing just $10 to $30 online. Remember, the vehicle must have an intact keyless entry system and no major ECU faults. Let's dive into how to pair your remote to your vehicle. Here's how to program your fob. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Within 5 seconds, press the lock or unlock button on your key fob. Turn the ignition key to the off position. Repeat steps 1 through 3 2 more times. On, press button, off, repeat twice. On the third off cycle, turn the key back to on. The door locks should cycle automatically, indicating programming mode. Press the lock or unlock button on your key fob again. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm programming. For multiple fobs, repeat within 10 seconds. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test all your fobs to ensure they work. If it does not work, ensure the fuses are in good working order.